Hello you guys, my name is Ashley and I am the nutritionist at the Attleboro YMCA, and today I wanted to make one of my favorite smoothies and show you all the recipes that go inside my smoothie. So we have spinach. Spinach is very good for your health, lots of vitamins and minerals, really good to keep our bones nice and healthy. Also have a peeled orange. Oranges are very high in vitamin C, so they help us prevent getting sick. They help us stay healthy, all that good stuff. They are very high in vitamin C. Then we have a banana. Bananas are filled with potassium. They are a fruit, so they as well have a bunch of nutrients in them. Also on my board is frozen mango. Frozen mango goes very well with oranges as a very good taste. Then I have about a cup of water to use as my mixing base for the smoothie. You can also use almond milk, regular milk, or you can even use coconut water. Coconut water is very good, has a lot of electrolytes, so it keeps you very hydrated, so you're not as thirsty throughout the day. And then lastly, in my tablespoon are chia seeds. So I just add about a tablespoon of chia seeds into my smoothies. Very high in fiber, so it helps us digest our food in a healthy way. There's also protein in it. So what I'm going to do is put everything in the blender. I'm gonna start with my spinach. And if you're not a big green person, the best part about making smoothies is you can't even taste spinach or kale or any greens that you put into your smoothie, I promise. Put my mango in. Put my banana in. And I put about a cup of water. Sometimes if my smoothie does not blend, I'll add a little bit more. And if it's super watery, I'll add a little bit of ice. So I have a couple ice cubes here. So I'll add just a couple into my smoothie. And then I'm gonna top it off with my chia seeds. Okay, use the rest of the water. Put the cap back on. Caution, it's gonna get a little loud in here. So shake it up. If it doesn't mix, just add a little bit more water. And it's time to blend. So block your ears if you have sensitive ears. So I usually blend it for about 20-30 seconds. Open it up, check to make sure that I have no pieces of fruit that still need to be blended up. I pour it in my cup. Yes, it's green, but don't be afraid of green smoothies. All finished, then we test try it. Delicious. So this is my green smoothie that I love to have, especially for breakfast or just as a snack. Remember, it is bananas, one banana, spinach, mango, chia seeds, orange. Make sure that orange is peeled, and then whatever fluid that you would like to have in it. So I hope you enjoyed this